On Friday, the Hill State People's Democratic Party, or HSPDP, held a meeting at Umsning in Ri Bhoi district to welcome members of the NPP into its fold. Those present during the event included the president of the HSPDP, P Pangniang, former MDC of Mawkynrew Constituency, Martle Mukhim, the president of the HSPDP Ri Bhoi Circle, B Sylliang, HSPDP candidate from Umsning, Primson Makdoh, party leaders and supporters. The NPP leaders who were welcomed as new members of the HSPDP include the NPP Youth President Ri Bhoi Area, Ribok Kharpran, Organizing Secretary Dondor Marbanyang, Working President Tarsan Nongse, Treasurer SP Nongbet, and hundreds of NPP supporters. On the same day, the HSPDP leaders, in the presence of party workers and supporters, also inaugurated the party office at Umjarasi village in Ri Bhoi district. Speaking on the occasion, HSPDP President P Pangniang said that the party, which is the oldest in the state, has been founded on ideals to safeguard the rights, customs, traditions and welfare of the indigenous people of the state of Meghalaya. He added that with the association of young leaders of the NPP to the HSPDP, it will once again enable the oldest regional party in the state to resurface as one of the strongest in Meghalaya.
HSPDP kirama syakmak kilakren nampak berpenjok suri ko. Henry kabar kongsang HSPDP dari ke parti rilum kabra rintam harga jalan Meghalaya kabra dalam nanta sampo South Ligisna bagi sedap sampo sam au November sepuluh bak dari ke parti kabara sweet the shore harga kerteng jo kali ka jagan riu kaboger pang kejadi kejadian dari kasih benar kepada mereka yang jalan Meghalaya. Bak kini ke parti katong juga kalong bangi kejadian dari kasih benar iron lagi jom kejilong ke beberapa kaktin habang ini mana yang ini kul sumber kirim dia kan jam batalem dor jom kejadian dari kapan lungi masih Kapheran lagi kirong kirim juga kita pun kalau pher deh kalau tim ini orang nak kacau kalau dustur ini orang nak kacau kalau hot ini orang nak kacau nak jaga tahu HSPDP kong to min tahu yang parti bandung maka kanong ria kan kanong yadaya kan bagus sadar deh katakan ini kamu nak